Listen up, dreamers. The best business ideas, the greatest books, and the most interesting stories are yet to come. So why have you been putting off that business idea? Why have you refused to tell that story? What about that book you wrote that you have not allowed to see the light of day? Come on. Now think about the authors of your favorite books, music, and movies. If they shut down the idea to those beautiful masterpieces you love so much, would you have had them? It may seem big, but remember, you just have to take one step at a time and focus on being the best you can each step of the way. Let me share a secret with you. This whole big thing called life was created by people who were no smarter than you. So it's time to add your own creativity. So stop underestimating yourself, start believing in yourself, and let the greatness shine through so the world can experience. Start learning and implementing, and always keep pushing forward and exploring new horizons. You got this.